Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. First of all, forgive the voice. I'm suffering from a small bout of pneumonia. But anyway, when I did my shop with me video, when I went to the Dollar Tree, I got these, and I told you that there are some things that I do with these that are a little different than most people. First of all, the sponges. I like the sponges, except they don't fit in the glass very well. They're awful thick, and I don't like this scrubby side to use in with glass. I would prefer to use it to just scrub my kitchen sink and counters and all that kind of stuff. So what I do is I cut it in half. Now I have one side for scrubbing my sink, my bathroom, whatever, and I have a sponge that has two soft sides, so it's not going to scratch my glassware. It fits in the glass very well. And it goes twice as far. And I pretty much do the same thing with the Scrubbies. The Scrubbies are too big for my hands. I mean, seriously, they're too big. So what I do is I cut these in half. Now I can control them a lot better. They get into the small places that I need to scrub out. Goes twice as far, which saves me a lot of money. SOS Pads. How many times have you ever actually used a full SOS pad? I end up having them sit until they end up going rusty. So instead of wasting it, I cut these in half. Now when I use one, I throw it out. I don't have to worry about it going rusty, and I don't have to worry about wasting it. Mr. Clean Erasers. I do exactly the same thing. I have never used a full eraser for anything. So I'll cut them in half, and I'll keep a half of one for a bigger job. For those little spots that you just need to get, cut it in fourths. That way you can get the little areas that you need to get and throw them out before they start smelling, which they always end up smelling sour. And that's my little tip for the way I use my cleaning products that I get from the Dollar Tree. I hope these tips helped. If they did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.